You know, I believe that Secretary, I keep calling her Secretary, Justice Secretary Vigil, has been a powerful and very effective leader in one of the most difficult departments, not just here, but anywhere across the state. When you're dealing with at-risk families, which means you have at-risk children, and a very, very narrow, and it should be, statutory framework, so that the way in which we're accountable, we're always transparent, but we have to meet all the confidentiality requirements and protections. And I believe that if we didn't have that body of law, I would ask for it. You have to do that. She took this tragedy personally. That's not her job, but I really respect that it is important enough that you do everything in your power to do the forensic work to figure out how you prevent this from ever happening again, even when there may not be something that went completely wrong. And that does happen when we do these reviews. Sometimes we find things that we know we either have to have legislatively fixed, or that something we didn't do right, or something that law enforcement, whoever. But I want someone who is emotionally connected to the fact that it's not just administrative work and checking a box, that this is a state that must do anything and everything in its power to prevent these tragedies and to understand what it is that occurs that puts these children at risk, and to not allow them to ever happen again. And she's doing exactly that work, and I am confident that whatever she is suggesting or identifies will be the kind of work that makes a difference to prevent these tragedies from happening anywhere else.
Is your office looking into where there might have been failures in either the communication or
we do that for
processes?
every case. There's a forensic review, and even if we weren't required to do that, I would require that. You have to know. So that's happening, and I have confidence that we will leave no stone unturned to take a look at every single issue.